Hi, today's demonstration is going to show you the difference between um, calculating commissions by sales and gross profit. The Pro version does sales, meaning if you had a invoice for $1,000 charge and it's 10% calculation, 10%, you get a commission of $100. Now, gross profit means that you're going to deduct the costs. So here's an example. So if this invoice was of $1,000 and the cost was for $200, you get times rate. You'd have a commissionable amount of $800 times 10% is $80. Now the premium version gets the cost from the item itself in QuickBooks, and if you go into the item, as you can see, the cost is $20 here. That's where it gets from a premium version. Our enterprise version has a lot of other ways to get the cost from QuickBooks, some for the promotional industry, some from, there's just a whole bunch of different ways, but this is this is what's available on the premium version. So what we could do is, but the other thing on the premium version that you're allowed to do is you can set up which is a lot of customers like, you can set up a different cost. So for instance, most items are, they pull the cost from QuickBooks, like I said, $20, but you might have a couple special items that you want to put a special cost in, and I'll show you how to override that cost also. So let's say in this particular item we don't want to pull it from the item, we want to pull it from the standard cost field. Once I put something in there and I go get the invoice, still going to get the invoice, and now you'll see that the cost is multiplying by the $15. But the way people really use that the most is on an invoice itself. Like if we were to go into the actual invoice itself, we could probably create another one. Let's create another invoice. And this time what we can do is, for this invoice, before we do it, we'll actually, just the way, if you've seen the way that we override the rates on the invoice itself, this is the same concept. You click on that, and what's going to happen now is that field is going to come up right there. Okay, so if you're creating a new invoice, item code of, as you remember, the invoice, it's already set to that standard cost, but we could change that to whatever we want. This is what's really a powerful feature, and a lot of people love this, because a lot of times they have special things that they have to do. They have to put the costs on the fly, and this is one way to do it. So let's say this, let's close this, and let's pull this. Let's pull it again. And that's that first one that we looked at, and now this is the one that we overrode, and as you can see, it's $18. So anyway, so that's just an example. Just give us a call if you want a full demonstration. What we do is connect over, like log me in, and we'll show you all the features, everything you need to know. Our phone number is 866-850-9092. Give us a call. We can usually set up a demo the same day, or if not the same day, within a couple days. So thank you very much for viewing our website, and please give us a call or email us email us or send us a message from the website. Okay, thank you very much. Bye.